The internet is the biggest revolution there will ever be. If I hear you've got mail one more time...
You've got mail.
All right, I have to stop.
Jim Johnson is a young computer enthusiast who represents the new generation of internet users. What started as an experimental venture has evolved into a daily ritual for Jim.
The first time I was on the internet is because I wanted to play a game that I couldn't afford, and I found it as a file in a BBS. The phone bill was larger than the game would have cost, but I think Internet Explorer will be impossible to compete with. This is the web design I aspire. You know, it's really colorful. You know, it's 3D. My Geocities page is better. I think anything .com will be big.
Jimmy, what happened to the phone line?
I cut the phone cord.
Like most teenagers using computers, Jim spends a lot of time playing computer games.
The Switch? Yeah. It's not just a Switch, it's the start of a good LAN party. Quake, Doom. My favorite game. I like to play IRQ Russian Roulette. This game comes with all the drivers, I hope. My mouse isn't working after I installed the new disk drive. Sound Blaster 16 IRQ conflicts are a way of life.
But beyond the computer screen, Jim maintains a typical teenage interest.
I get sued by corporations every day. I first started hijacking phone lines. Some indie game studios may or may not have gone bankrupt. Mondo 2000, 2600. I found my girlfriend on Frag magazine. What we have access to in these IRC channels, it's just mad. Classified documents, you know, dangerous, huge libraries. The Pentagon probably doesn't have access to these. Anyone got WinZip?
But having made the switch just last month to the new Windows 95 operating system, he shares with us how he first felt about using the new graphical user interface.
It's complete bullshit.
While Jim uses Windows, he offers us an interesting insight on an alternative operating system, Linux.
According to the Cyberpunk Manifesto, I cannot like Microsoft. But according to these disk errors, I cannot install Linux. I can't get a working disk set for Linux. Oh, I didn't buy my Windows license. I believe software should be free, because I don't have a credit card. All I have is 56 free AOL hours. What is happening? Oh, no. No drives found, aborting. Oh, it's a 486, of course. Intel inside. Why are they using Comic Sans font? It has 32-bit programs, multitasking, makes use of the full multi-threading. It really shows in Paint. It's way better than in DOS, though. It's not plug and play yet. It's plug and pray, really. I still can't get that printer to work. Oh, Windows 95, you don't have to mess with the memory so much, and as in DOS, and it's just way more stable. The program has performed an illegal operation. So now this PC is bricked. I reinstall Windows every 3 months. I have all my data backed up on floppies. I lose all my data every 3 months.
And Jim shares with us some fascinating predictions about where this technology might be heading.
Flash-based mobile websites are the future. Video conferencing could be as easy as, you know, somebody just clicking a button and calling you wherever you are. Your boss will call you at home, even. No, hey Jimmy, I just wanted to touch base. I mean, sure, Usenet got lots of stuff, but only idiots use AOL.
You've got mail.
All right, I have to stop this internet thing. What's going on? I don't really listen to MTV. My VCR says 12 p.m. I think silicon graphics will never be replaced by PCs. By 2025, we'll all be using virtual reality. The CGI nowadays is getting too real. It's photorealistic. Well, I don't use cheat codes in games. I don't have enough RAM for the spreadsheet and the game. So when I get general protection faults in Win386, I will restart Windows, reload all of my TSRs, and go back in time to save that file I've been working on. Well, see, I care about the ethics of software. Where's the where's channel? Don't copy that floppy.
If you'd like to explore the online tools and programs Jim couldn't show us today, you can find them listed on linkgraph.net. And for those of you with Compuserve or America Online accounts,